Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Reels history on Facebook. So let's get started. So first of all, you gotta head over, open your Facebook account and then click on your profile here at the bottom right. After that, click on the three horizontal lines at the top left. Scroll down and you should see the option of settings and privacy. Click on it and then you'll be able to see a drop down of various options. You're going to click on settings and you'll be redirected to settings and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to see the option of activity log. Click on it and then scroll down once again. You'll be able to see your Facebook activity. Click on it again and then scroll down once again. You'll be able to see something like Reels, or specifically you got to search for the one that says posts. Click on this drop down and then you'll be able to see some more options. You're going to click on see more right over here, scroll down and you'll be able to see videos you have watched. Click on it and then you'll be able to see all the videos or reels that you have watched on Facebook. If you wish to clear video watch history, click on clear video watch history and then click on clear, and now your watch history is processing and after some time your watch history will be deleted. Like now it says no items. And if that doesn't still, remove your watch history, in order to check that, you're going to click on the three horizontal lines and then click on Reels. Here, you're going to click on the profile icon and then click on watched Reels. If you're still able to see all your watched Reels and if you wish to turn it off, you can click on the three horizontal lines and then scroll down, click on settings. Again, here, you're going to scroll down and click on tap bar. Here, click on customize the bar at the top and you'll be able to see Reels. You're going to click on this button and then you can simply click on hide. And then you'll be able to see that the Reels option has been hidden. And just like that, there'll be no Reels history anymore. So that is how you can delete Reels history on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next video.